Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap on Snapchat app. So let's start. First open the Snapchat app. Since we are going to send snaps from camera roll, we have to access it first. Swipe up and tap camera roll. And now select an image you want to send as a snap. I'll just randomly select a picture. And tap the arrow icon on bottom right corner. Now I'll just randomly send the snap to some people. I'll just select two person and tap on the send button on bottom right corner. And the snaps are sent. Now if you go back and go to chats and open the conversation, and you'll see that snaps are sent. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.